In the heart of the savannah, the ultimate showdown was about to begin. Ginger charged, claws out, ready for action.
But Luna dodged with ease. "You're feisty," she roared. Impressed,
But Ginger landed perfectly and countered with a fluffy belly flop. The fight intensified. Claws versus claws, roars versus hisses.
in a wild twist, Ginger pulled Luna's mane, making her stumble.
Seizing the moment, Ginger landed the victory pose.
Luna grinned. Rematch? Ginger winked. Perhaps.